आजाता नितान्ता सुचैतन्यमेगु आजाता नितान्ता सुचैतन्यमेगु आनंद सात्विक पूर्णिमये अतुल्य चिन्मय पूर्णिमये त्रिरिग सा सरि ध ध प ग ग ध प गरि सरि ग ग ध प सा गरि प ग ध प स ध रि स गरि ग रि स ध प ग प ध स रि गरि स ध प रि स ध प ग प रि प गरि सा आनंद सात्विक पूर्णिमये अतुल्य चिन्मय पूर्णिमये अवर्ण्य सुंदर पूर्णिमये तोळुन्नु नल्वरमेगणे तोळुन्नु नल्वरमेगणे अरूपा महात्मा चिदानन्दरूपा अविद्या विरुद्धं विवेकं तरूनि तमसिन् कृतान्ता तरुणी प्रकाशम् आजाता नितान्ता सुचैतन्यमेगु आजाता नितान्ता सुचैतन्यमेगु प्रणामम् प्रणामम् प्रणामम्।
May I invite our school leader, Ms. Richa Rathore, for the welcome speech.
Honorable Chief Guest of the day, all the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant good evening to you all. In this colorful evening, we are all gathered here to celebrate the 21st annual day of our school. On this auspicious occasion, I consider it my special privilege to welcome you all in this anguished function. At the very outset, I extend a very warm welcome to the Chief Guest of the day, Mr. Santosh Sharma, District and Sessions Judge, Dantewada. He takes keen interest in the progressive and developmental activities of the school. Besides, he is also one of our parents. So, on behalf of everyone gathered here, Dr. Gaurav Kumar Singh, IAS, CEO, Jila Panchayat, Dantewada. These days, he is busy in making the district of Dantewada digitally literate. Despite all his hectic schedule, he has made a point to come over here and encourage the fabulous performances of our children. Hearty welcome, sir. I also extend a very warm welcome to the guest of honor of the day, Mr. Subhash Ganjil, District Educational Officer. As a DEO, he gives us valuable suggestions and guidance in matters concerning academic importance. Hearty welcome, sir. I also welcome the president of today's function, Reverend Dr. Father Joshi Thamrasari, CMI. As a head of the management, he gives us timely suggestions, guidance and correction wherever and whenever necessary. So, on behalf of everyone gathered here, may I accord you a hearty welcome, Father. May I also extend a very warm welcome to our beloved principal, Reverend Father Bobby M. Joseph, who looks for bringing newer innovation for all-round development of our school. Hearty welcome, Father. May I also welcome all the dignitaries who are present here from different walks of life. Hearty welcome. Once again, I welcome you all on behalf of principal, staff and students of school. Now I call upon the chief guest of the day, Mr. Santosh Sharma, the special guest, Dr. Gaurav Kumar Singh, IAS, the guest of honor, Mr. Subhash Ganjir, the president of today's function, Reverend Dr. Father Joshi Thambraseri, CMI, our founder principal, Reverend Father Mani Kadaprakal, CMI, our beloved principal, Reverend Father Bobby M. Joseph, CMI, our senior most teacher, Mrs. Geeta Nair, onto the stage for lighting the lamp.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Hi, I may find my prince, but my papa will always be my king.
सही कहा पापा, सही कहा पापा। पापा है तो दुनिया के सारे खिलौने हमारे, पापा है तो दुनिया के सारे खिलौने हमारे। प्यारे पापा सच्चे पापा, प्यारे पापा सच्चे पापा। बच्चों के संग बच्चे पापा, बच्चों के संग बच्चे पापा। करते हैं पूरी हर इच्छा, करते हैं पूरी हर इच्छा। मेरे सबसे अच्छे पापा, मेरे सबसे अच्छे पापा। हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति पिता को समर्पित है।
A very good evening and warm welcome to one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Sri Santosh Sharma, District and Sessions Judge, Dantewada. Reverend Dr. Father Josie Tamarshiri, CMI, President, Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur, the President of today's function. Dr. Gaurav Kumar Singh, IAS, CEO, Jilla Panchayat, Dantewada. Special Guest of the day, Sri Subhash Ganjir, DEO, Dantewada, today's Guest of Honor. Sri Dinesh Pradap Upadhyay, DIG, CRPF, Dantewada. Distinguished guests from District Court, CRPF, Education Department. Other distinguished guests from Police and Media. Principals and heads of various institutions. Reverend Fathers, Brothers, Sisters, dear parents, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen. Let me extend to you all a warm welcome to the 21st annual function of Nirmal Niketan School, Karli, Dantewada. Swami Vivekananda has once said, we need an education which builds character, increases strength of will and expands intellect, by which a person is equipped to stand on his own feet. Yes, it is very true. The main purpose of education is to make pupils mature in character and the best citizens for the nation. It is in a way a process of nation building. Now let me come to my duty of presenting the annual report of the school during the year 2016-17 before this August assembly. Nirmal Niketan School, Karli, Dantewada is run by the management of Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur, of the CMI congregation, with all the facilities that are attached to the schools in the metropolitan cities. The school is affiliated to the Council of Indian School Certificate Examination, ICSE, New Delhi. Our school was started on 17th July 1995 and is going to complete 22 years of service in the field of education in Dantewada area. I am sure that many of our passed out students are doing very well in different fields of their profession and studies. We are dedicated to give admission to all the aspiring pupils irrespective of their caste, color and creed. We give fee concession to the economically weak and deserving students. We always work for the enlightenment and all-round development of our students. The total strength of the school at present is 1365. The real strength of Nirmal Niketan School is the staff, which includes 44 teaching and 20 non-teaching staff. I remember with gratitude their dedication and service they are extending for the school. Results. I feel proud to acknowledge before you that for the past 12 years we were getting best results in the 10th board exams. Last year it was 100%, and Master Shivam Malviya stood first with 92.16%, Master Akshans Chauhan second with 91.33%, followed by Kumari Megha Mehta with 90.16%. Congratulations to the toppers, parents and teachers for this great achievement. We are sure that the present batch will again improve the results in their board exams, which commences on 10th March. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Together with intellectual formation, we try to give ample opportunities for sports and games and cultural activities. Days were set apart for these competitions, and the champions and the winners will be awarded today. These opportunities give the students the platform to explore and exhibit their hidden talents and potentialities. For the past 2 years, we were conducting inter-school dance competitions for the high schools around Dantewada and Geetham area, and we get nice cooperation from all the schools nearby this area. Student counseling facility is also provided for the students. We also organized study tour for the students, and it was to Agra, Jaipur and Delhi this year. A word of appreciation. Let me make use this opportunity to express Our sincere thanks and gratitude to Sri Santosh Sharma, District and Sessions Judge Dantewada, the chief guest of the day, for his encouragement, presence and support that he has been rendering for our institution. He is one of our parents too. I remember and express my sincere thanks to all the team from the District Court Dantewada. I am very grateful to Dr. Gaurav Kumar Singh, IAS, CEO, Jilla Panchayat Dantewada, for the presence and the support. I remember with gratitude Sri Subhash Ganjir, DEO Dantewada, our guest of honor, for all the support and the encouragement rendered by him. I also express my thanks to all the officials related to the Education Department at Dantewada and Geetham, and also to the Department of Police and Media. I remember and appreciate all the support we are getting from Sri Dinesh Pratap Upadhyay, DIG, CRPF, Dantewada, and the CRPF battalions at Karli, Geetham, and Barsur. I am very much indebted to Reverend Dr. Father Josie Tamarasheri, CMI, our provincial superior, who is always with us in all our undertakings and who contributes to the well-being of our school by giving valuable suggestions. I remember with gratitude Reverend Father Santosh Koteri, CMI, Manager, Nirmal Educational Institutions, other members of the council, Reverend Fathers, Sisters and Brothers, for their timely encouragement, guidance, corrections and support. I do remember with gratitude our Bishop, His Excellency Mar Joseph Kollamparambil, CMI, for all the support he is rendering for us. Now I make this opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to all our parents, guardians, well-wishers and friends for all their support, encouragement and suggestions they are rendering us. I am very thankful to all our teaching and non-teaching staff and all the dear students who make the school actually what it is now. It is time for me to place my gratitude to Reverend Fathers Josie, our Vice Principal and Bersar, and Sebastian, our local manager, for their support and dedicated service, which makes me to lead the school in the best way possible. Now let me place my heart filled with gratitude and thanksgiving to God Almighty, who is the source of all goodness, beauty, wisdom and happiness. May God Almighty bless us all. With these words, let me place this report for your kind approval. Thanking you all once more. Thank you very much.
May I call Mr. Subhash Ganji, DEO, to give away Proficiency Awards. Second rank, Pranjal Tirthi. Third rank, Diksha Moy. LKG, first rank, Jagruti Thakur. Second rank, Saurabh Pondu. Third rank, Varuni Deshmukh. UKG, first rank, Vanishka Kanwar. Second rank, Sakshi Sahu. Third rank, Lokendra Kumar Atra. Class first rank, Danish Ali. Class first rank, Danish Ali.